Hey, so is Jungle Scout owned by Amazon? Pretty popular question I'm seeing, and the answer is no. And I have the Jungle Scout About Us page here. Jungle Scout is actually software for Amazon sellers like myself. It's great to meet you. I'm an Amazon seller, and it was created, as you can see here in the About Us page, junglescout.com, by Greg Mercer. He's an entrepreneur, an Amazon seller, and this is a software myself I've been using since pretty much, let's say 2016-ish, since I started selling on Amazon, 16, 17, somewhere there. And in the description, I'm going to have for you different discounts for Jungle Scout that can save you money with different plans, yearly, monthly plans, professional, basic, suite plans have different discounts for you, and educational videos that show you how to use Jungle Scout. I have like an hour and a bit tutorial with Ed from Jungle Scout where we show you step by step, like how to use Jungle Scout and all its parts. I'm going to leave the video there as well for you. Actually, I'm going to leave it here on the screen as the end screen on YouTube, this video with the ad if you want to see how to use Jungle Scout. And no, it's not owned by Amazon, to your maybe original question. And here also on the screen, I have some discounts for Jungle Scout for you. Affiliate links means that if you ever do business with Jungle Scout by using my discounts, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way, it's possible to support the free content that I'm creating for you. Have a great day.